Hey everybody, my name is Megan and today I'm going to show you a few animals around my farm. First, we're going to see my goats. Now, I have Nigerian dwarf and pygmy mixed goats right here. These are both miniature breeds of goats. First, we have goats. Now, I have this little guy named Mel. He's about 5 months old and is a Nigerian dwarf mix. This is my female pygmy goat, Whiskey. She's about 5 years old.
What some people may not know is that not all male goats have horns. Whiskey here is a female and has horns because of a gene. Some goats don't have horns, and that is called being polled. This is my buck. His name is Floyd. He is a pygmy. Now, Mel's mom, his name is Mir, and she is a Nigerian dwarf. The majority of a goat's diet is comprised of roughage, such as hay and grass.
Nigerian dwarfs are oftentimes bred for their milk production. Their milk is known to have a higher fat content than other breeds of goats. Pygmies are used for their meat a lot of times. Nigerian dwarfs were actually quite endangered about 10 to 15 years ago, but then became popular in the United States as pets. A female goat is known as a doe, while a male goat is known as a buck. A baby goat is called a kid. A male baby goat is called a buckling, and a female baby goat is called a doeling. The gestation period of a goat is about 5 months, give or take a few days depending on the breed.
Thanks for stopping by.